mean you have not committed any war. That is.
Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel guys. So guys, in today's video we're going to be talking about the benefit of true forgiveness by Prophet TB Joshua. In fact guys, he gave this message in one of the testimonies in the SCOAN Sunday live service. In fact guys, there are a lot of things to be learned on this video. So guys, sit back, relax and learn anything that you can learn in this video guys, and do not forget to also share to people that you think that this message can also change their lives. So guys, let's listen to what Prophet TB Joshua has to say about this.
I'll forgive him.
Tell me why you could not forgive him.
Because he went behind me and had got a girl pregnant, told the girl I couldn't get pregnant.
Come, don't worry. The forgiveness cannot come without solution. Where there is forgiveness, there is reconciliation. Where there is forgiveness, there is healing. Where there is forgiveness, there is deliverance. You remember last week there was a baby you carried in the dream?
Yes.
This baby is coming to reality.
Amen.
When the vision was given, I said to her, I'm seeing you choose on the path of unforgiven. You have been looking for the fruit of womb for many years. If you can forgive this man, you will pregnant. Look at the stomach. Tell your neighbor, forgive them. I can't hear you. Say it includes you and I. Jesus said, Father, forgive them. They don't know what they are doing. Forgive them, it included you and I. Mean you have not committed any war. There is a question lesson to learn. You have many things. You say over your dead body you will not forgive. And you don't know that this is what is hiding your blessing. You say there is certain you will not forgive. That is why you will not move forward. If you look at the cause of your stagnant, if you look at it, the stagnant. Why am I say stand without moving forward, backward, or what? What is happening to me? If I go up, I come down again. What is happening? Why this trouble all over me? What is happening? Why all this attack? What is happening? The work of forgiveness. Look at it. When you look around, there are some people, you say, never in your life you will not. I will not greet, and it will not greet me. I will have nothing to do with forever. You have that have been. I don't know. Look at what do you think is making TB Joshua what TB Joshua is today? I don't see my brother as enemy. No. Sin is my enemy. And sin has no blood, has no flu. And you have blood, you have flu. I can never and ever count anything against you, but against sin. I love sinner, but I hate sin. Are you with me? I, TB Joshua, I love sinner, but I hate sin. Let me give you a good example of what I'm talking about, so you can now prove whether I'm right or wrong. 10 years ago or 15 years, you know, ask yourself, what is your position to TB Joshua? And what was your belief about TB Joshua 15 years ago? You are one of the people that was praying against me. When you think back, you may likely be one of the people that say, over your dead body, I will not enter this church. But it's not your dead body that is here today. "15 years ago," think about it. You are you likely once in a gathering where your ministers of God was leading you to pray and to ban TB Joshua and rebuking TB Joshua. You are fasting day and night against the man that now become your benefactor. What do you think made things happen like this? Because while you were cursing me, I was here blessing you. Those years, while you were rebuking me, banding me, cursing me, against me, I was somewhere praying for your peace and comfort, because I know a day like this is coming. When you determine to forgive, you are determined to have your future. Tell your neighbor. When you come to understanding of forgiveness, and you sit at home and say, well, I need to forgive, your way is open.